Hi, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Today we're looking at the 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. There's a nice profile shot of it with the hardtop on it. Also has the electronic sunshade that comes out. This is a nice two-tone. It's a blue, white with a gray boot stripe. Nice aft sun lounger. Nice swim step. Easy still walkable swim platform. Nice entranceway walking through into the cockpit. Here's your wet bar here. This has a sink and a small cooler underneath. Corian hatch cover. Additional storage underneath. That's for your trash. Great shot of the back here. This is your U-shaped seating. Plenty of room on here. This is has the Xfinity woven vinyl port lounger, which is adjustable. There's a nice shot coming up to the head here. This is the vacuum flush holding system, so everything goes down into a tank. Stainless steel sink. Stainless steel windshield frame. Additional compartment here on the port side. Great shot of the helm. This is the all-new dash on here with the twin sim rads, so real nice and plenty to look at while you're up and cruising. Stainless cup holders, nice dash, digital throttle and shift. That's the joystick. So this is, you can dock this boat very simply and easy with the joystick. This makes it very simple. Great shot up here of the bow. Fold down armrest. Plenty of room for all of your seating and family and friends. Through hole with the anchor and the windlass. Nice setup. Plenty of room. Great day to get out there on the water with your family and friends. Room for everybody. This is the 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. Come and see us at Ship Bottom, New Jersey, 609-494-2102. And come check out this great looking boat. Rides phenomenal on the water, handles just like a sports car. Thank you for looking, and have a great day. Take care.